up to the Asawas in Fiji, which is the further outermost island. That island over there is South Sea Island.
Okay, you have people.
The island up here is Bounty Island, and we're headed to the Asawas. This is one of our guides, Robert.
It helps them.
A local Fijian.
And the birthing of the yacht in Fiji.
Bula.
Right, exactly. Because otherwise it's like
Exactly.
for 18 months. Yeah, they're allowed to come in continent for 18 months.
So what I'm saying is that why don't you allow them to do that? You know, in that way you pay the local staff.
Right, exactly.